Welcome to Wizert.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. If 9 men can do a piece of work in 12 days, how many men can do it in 4 days at the same rate? So given we are given three different parameters: number of men, number of days, and amount of work. Now we are given that 9 men can do that piece of work, that is complete piece of work, in 12 days. So let us see how much of work is done in one day by 9 men. So number of men is constant, number of men. If we are going to use unitary method here, we'll have to keep one of these parameters constant and vary the other two. Otherwise, we cannot use unitary method. So let us keep number of men common, that is 9 men. One entire piece of work, one work is being completed in 12 days. So this is amount of work and this is number of days. So how much work is done in one day? So that is equal to amount of work done in one day multiplied by 12 is equal to 1 into 1. Therefore, amount of work done by 9 men in one day is 1 by 12. So 1/12 of work is done by 9 men in one day. Now we keep number of days constant. Number of days constant at 1. And we will vary number of men and amount of work. Amount of work. So 9 men can do 1/12 of work in one day. So now let us keep number of men again common. Number of men again common as constant as 9 and vary amount of work and number of days. Now we have 1/12 of work being completed in one day. So how much of work will be completed in 4 days? Because in question we are asked how many men can do the same work in 4 days. So we have to make the number of days as common on 4 days. So we are finding how much of work is being done in 4 days. So amount of work being done in 4 days multiplied by 1 equal to 1 by 12 multiplied by 4. Now this can be cancelling out. 4 ones are 4, 4 threes are 12. So amount of work that is being done in 4 days is 1 by 3. That is 1/3 of work is being done in 4 days by 9 men. Now we have the required constant number of days to perform the final calculation. So we keep number of days equal to 4 constant and vary amount of work and number of men. So now we know 1/3 of work is being done by 9 men. Then complete work will be done by how many men in 4 days? We have first made the time, that is number of days, constant using above calculation. Now we can simply use this equation and now we cross multiply. So number of men required multiplied by 1 by 3 is equal to 9. So number of men that will be required to finish the given work in 4 days is equal to 9 into 3, which is 27 number of men. So the answer is option C.